What forms an email marketing strategy? So your strategy could be as small or as big as you want it to be. But there are some basics that you need to get in there to make sure that you have the best success when it comes to email marketing. I often see when people start email marketing that they'll be looking at getting a lead magnet. They start building up their list. They might have 50 people on there, 100 people on there as they start out. And then a month later, that number's still the same and they're wondering why. And then maybe another month later, they're thinking, hang on, I've had no sales from this. What's happened? And that's more than likely because that is literally all they have done. They have got a lead magnet. They advertised it for a little while. And then that's it. They just expected everything else to happen like magic. Would be great because I love magic, but it doesn't happen that way. So here are the parts that you need in your email marketing strategy to make sure that you get the best success possible. And this to me is the bare minimum that you need. So if you haven't got this in place, you need to start aiming to get these in place. First off, yes, you do need a lead magnet. You need some way to grow that audience and build that email list. So you need to make sure that you do have a lead magnet in place. Number 2, that lead magnet needs to have something that I call a lead magnet series, which is a series of 4 to 6 emails that guides people through the lead magnet, but also as a next step. So what is the next step you want them to take? Do they need to buy a £27 course from you? Do you want them to book for you to come out and give them a quotation? What is that next step? After that, you want to make sure that you have something that I call a welcome series. Some people call these the Know, Like and Trust series. What it basically does is get people who are brand new into your world to know more about you. It goes out to people when they are first subscribed to your list, and it only goes out to them ever once. Welcome series. Next up, you need to be sending emails out on a regular basis, not monthly. As a bare minimum, I always think weekly is what you should aim for. Fortnightly, you could get away with, but that's the most you could really stretch to. You want to aim for weekly though, where you can. These emails are going to be non-sales, no sales in them, just you giving advice, updating them about your company or what you're up to. People actually like to know what you're up to. And that's how you're going to keep people in touch. That's how, when someone gets your lead magnet, you're still kind of nurturing them and they're still in your world. So that when you do need to sell, they're ready for you. And then last but not least, you need to actually be posting on social media about your lead magnet consistently. Not just the first week it came out, but consistently. Make sure that every single week you have a post going out, getting someone onto your email list. Just one post a week, that's all you need to do, so that you can start generating more leads on your list. But also, as people unsubscribe, which you should have a party about, by the way, but more on that later on. But what you want to be doing is making sure that as people do unsubscribe, you're getting new people onto the list. And that's why you need to make sure you keep advertising that lead magnet even after its initial release. So there we have it. In summary, what you need for your email marketing strategy: a lead magnet email series, a welcome email series, weekly emails, and regular advertisement of your lead magnet. If you can nail them 5 things, you're starting to see some success, a huge success when it comes to your email marketing.